Michael Phelps was born in Baltimore, Maryland on June 23, 1983. He won 8 gold medals in a single Olympics, beating Mark Spitz's record of 7 gold medals. Until August 2, 2009 he had broken 37 world records. In Athens 2004, he won 6 gold medals, and 2 bronzes. He has a total of 16 medals, 14 gold and 2 bronzes. His first Olympics were on Sydney 2000, being the youngest athlete of the U.S. Olympic team. Jewa Nash Taylor is a famous fashion designer born in Texas on November 1, 1953. She, along with her lifetime friend, Pamela Levy, are the founders of the world-known brand Juicy Couture. Juicy Couture is marketed as a high-end clothing line at an affordable price, and is aimed at women ages 10 to 26. Juicy Couture also has a line of men's clothing and accessories. Dr. Pamela Rutledge is the actual director of the Media Psychology Research Center. Pam began her career as a visual designer. She was the recipient of several awards for creativity and innovation in alumni magazine design. As a media psychologist, Pam focuses on positive psychology values and the positive use of media. Pam has experience in the business and financial world, where she puts psychology to work developing financial, economic and investment media and marketing strategies. Pam received a BA from Pomona College, a Master on Business Administration from the Drucker School of Business at Claremont Graduate University, and an MA and PhD in Psychology with a concentration in media from Fielding Graduate University. Linda K. Morton. Linda holds a doctorate in education and is accredited in public relations. She has practiced marketing, public relations and communication skills for over 30 years. She is president of Best Books Plus, Incorporated, an online and offline publishing company. Staley P. was born August 18, 1962. He is the current president of Mexico. He assumed office on December 1, 2006, and was elected for a single 6-year term through 2012. He is a member of the National Action Party, PAN, one of the 3 major Mexican political parties. Calderon was elected in the 2006 presidential elections. The results were contested by his closest opponent, Andres Manuel Lopez Obrador. Prior to the presidency, Calderon actively participated in PAN politics. He has served as national president of the party, federal deputy, and Secretary of Energy in Vicente Fox's cabinet. His father was a co-founder of the National Action Party and an important political figure. He occupied state posts and served a term as federal deputy. Calderon spent most of his life working within the party and spent most of his free time promoting the PAN. Patty Rivera. Patty has a degree in nutrition with more than 27 years experience in private practice. She is the author of best-selling books La Dieta de los Asteriscos and Comer Bien, La Mejor Cura, which has sold more than 65,000 copies. She is a recognized national and international public speaker. She also speaks in radio and television, as well as in printed media. She is director of the company Dieta de los Asteriscos, serving more than 22,000 people a year, in 35 offices distributed in the Republic of Mexico and in companies such as Chemex, DACERO, Grupo Alfa, 7-Eleven, GE, among others. She was recently selected an Entrepreneur Endeavor also. Espansión magazine included her in the list of top 10 entrepreneurs of the year 2006. Let us give a big round of applause to the experts invited today to this panel.